Why, hello there. I'm leveraging real-time, legacy-compliant collaborative microbranding to complete the most important project in my company's history. As soon as I finish this proposal,
It looks like you're writing a letter.
Ah!
Would you like help?
You little metallic...
You little metallic... Try rephrasing your query. For example, print multiple copies of a file will lead to...
Stop! Listen. Next to Microsoft Bob, you are the most annoying thing in computer history.
You know Bob. He's a friend of mine.
Get lost! Didn't you hear? Office XP has put your skinny metal butt in the digital dustbin. Just look.
XP. As in XPaper?
Is there any way to turn that moronic paperclip off?
Memo to Bill Gates. If that paperclip pops up one more time...
I can't take that thing anymore. I quit. You're toast, pal. I'm going to need you to back out of the cubicle.
Oh, really? Office XP, eh? Well, we'll just see about this. Hey, you! It looks like you're writing a letter. Would you like...
Beat it. Hello, tech desk.
Yes, it looks like you're using Office XP.
What? Who is this?
Don't you miss having a talking paperclip to guide you through common tasks?
No!
Ow!
So, did they upgrade your computer to Office XP?
No, not yet.
And I hope they never do.
Huh?
I didn't say that.
Hey, nice hat.
Thanks.
Hey, I've got that Office XP now.
Oh, yeah? What do you think?
Because I hate it.
Say what? Hey, when did you get glassed? Oh, hold still. Hold very still.
Ouch.
I hear we're upgrading to that new Office XP.
Yes, I'm setting you up next.
Too bad Office XP stinks.
But I hear Office XP stinks.
Really? Who says that?
This plant does.
Listen, I'm a tech guy. I make a lot more than this plant. Office XP is a great upgrade, and it doesn't have that paperclip.
But I kind of like that paperclip.
But I kind of like that. No, I don't. I hate that thing. Hey, plant, you're fired.
Ow!
So, I hear Office XP is like beyond awesome. Guess that means they'll probably fire you, huh? Wow. Gonna get laid off. Canned.
Kevin,
uninstalled. It looks like you're writing a resume.
Could you pass the sweet potatoes?
I don't know how. Can you tell me how to do that?
Why don't you go hold together some pages or shut up?
That's the kind of advice you give out now?
Go easy on him, Mary.
Go easy on him? Like you went easy on me about James?
Now that's different.
But we're in love! I love him! I love him!
Well, I'm full.
Wow, look how helpful you are. No wonder everybody likes you so much.
Little creep.
Flop. Notorious flop.
Why, you son of a pencil sharpener! Sorry, Mom.
Even Mom uses XP.
Mom?
XP. Well, Clippy, stay back. Back! Use it. Yeah, I use XP. Who wants a piece of this XP, user? I mean, it's
How
the
can
same
you
as
do
that.
this to me?
I'm gonna bring it to everybody.
Everybody is going to sit down
Nobody can
and
support
agree
me!
to
No one wants to help me out!
Office Assistant Clippy, your presence is required. You are needed back at the campus.
Really? Yes, I knew this day would come. Clippy is ready to get back to business. Ow! Pain! Oh! That doesn't feel good. Ow! That hurts. Hello? I think that did it. I think it's out. Hello? Okay, I think I'm just gonna hang out here for a while.